Hey everyone, how are you guys? Happy November. I know it is deep into November already, and yeah, as I mentioned in my previous video, I had a crazy month, so I'm trying to catch up on my budget videos. And as you can tell by the title, today we're doing our sinking funds. And this month in particular, I'm able to stuff $500. I'm super excited because you guys know in the month of October, I was only able to stuff $300. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. I have my sinking funds binder here. Here is the money. This should be $500. So let's count this out and organize it. So we're gonna start in the back here. So we have 50, 150, 200, 250. Okay. 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430. Okay. 440, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that's 490, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 500. Perfect. So we have all the money here. So the first thing we're going to look at is my purple binder, and I don't really have these in any particular order. Sometimes I think about it, I'm like, should I have this in a particular order? But maybe I'll rearrange them next time, or maybe in the new year I'll do that. So again, we're working with $500. So for travel this month, I'm adding in $20, and I'm only adding in 20 because, again, if you watched my previous video, y'all, November has been crazy. 2 trips I had scheduled for like November were canceled. So yeah, I didn't go to New Orleans and I did not go to Boston. So I have quite a bit of money in my travel envelope, and this is nice. I'm just gonna let it build up, and my next trip that I know of isn't until March. So I might try to squeeze in another trip before then, but we'll see. All right, so we have 100, 2, 300, 50, 450, 500, 550, 570, 590, 610, 620, 630, 635, 36, 37, 637 in travel. All right, and then we have our emergency. Emergency is getting 40 this month because my new goal for this is $1,000. So we are on our way. Okay, so for emergency, we have 100, 250, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 460, 470, 480. 480 in emergency. All right, that's perfect. And then we have medical. Medical is just getting $10. This has a decent amount in it, so I'm not too worried about stuffing a ton in here. So for medical, we have 100, 2, 3, 450, 500, 20, 30, 40, 50. 550. Is that 550? Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Good amount in medical, which is nice. Okay, and then we have car maintenance. Car maintenance is getting $50 because this hasn't had too much love, so we're putting in a 50. So we have 50, 70, 90, $100 in car maintenance, which is nice. I think I might need an oil change soon, I think. I don't know. Oh, also, if you guys are curious, these binders, envelopes, and labels are all available in my shop. So definitely check out the link down below if you are interested in this sort of setup. Again, if you guys are new, welcome. I hope you enjoy, stick around, and subscribe. But these are interchangeable, so you can remove them. And yeah, they're really nice because if you want to change things around, it's easy to do, and you can still use the same envelopes. Anyway. All right, special occasions is getting just $10. I don't have many birthdays at all for the rest of the year, besides I think one. I have my dad's birthday, but other than that, not too many birthdays. So we're just doing $10. So we have 20, 30, 40, 55. $55 in special occasions. And then Christmas is getting $50. I wanted to do a little bit more in Christmas because you guys know Christmas is coming up. and I'm actually going to be spending out of this envelope soon. So yeah, let's see how much we have for Christmas. 100, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300. 300 in Christmas. I think this is pretty solid because I really only buy presents for 3 people. So I think 300 should be solid for me personally. Family. Family is getting $20. And yeah, let's just add another 20. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 105. So 105 in family. Home is only getting $10. I, again, haven't been doing much to my apartment. I feel like everything that I wanted to do to it, it's pretty much done. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. $90 in home. Okay. I have my birthday. This is not getting anything, so we'll skip that. All right, and then we have Grace. Grace is getting $50. And yeah, let's do a 50. So we'll count this one out. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 50, 100, 50, 60, $1,160 in Greece. I'm really excited about this because this is gonna be my big trip for next year. All right, this is a new envelope. This is eating out, and I don't know why I put this in this binder, but yeah, it's a blue label. Again, I have this available in different colors, but I'm not stuffing it. I don't even know why I put it in here, but that is my purple binder. Now we're gonna move on to my mint green binder and continue our sinking funds. So I have quite a few sinking funds, as you guys can see. Yeah, I have a lot that I wanna save for the future. Should I move this up a little bit? Okay, let's do that. New car is the next one. New car is just getting $10. This is an envelope, again, that I'm stuffing slowly. So, uh-oh, these are facing the wrong way. Let's move that. But anyway, $10 is going into new car. And if you guys are new, then you guys wouldn't know that new car used to be equipment. I used to have this label in the front. But I changed it to new car because I think new car is more important than like filming equipment and stuff like that. So for new car, our total is 100, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. So that is 580. So that's a pretty good amount for new car. I don't have any plans on buying a new car anytime soon. This is just, I'm just preparing for the future, the way future. Beauty is actually getting a little bit more love this month because again, this is just an envelope that I've kind of put on the back burner, but it is getting 25. So we have 20, 40, 50, 65, $70 in beauty, which is nice. I should probably schedule a haircut soon. Okay, health is just getting $10. And it only has 10, so now it has 20 in health. All right, bachelorette is not getting anything. We're gonna skip that. Car insurance always gets $70. So we'll do a 50 and a 20. So in car insurance, we have 50, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350 in car insurance, which is great. I think that's halfway to what I need. All right, business is getting 40. Yeah, we only have 10. So we're gonna do 220. So now we have $50 in business. Okay, and then we have date night, and the date night is for me in particular. I am not dating anybody currently. I mean, I'm going on dates with people, but yeah, date night, this is for me. I am taking myself out on dates because I think it's a great way to just treat myself, and it's what I enjoy. So I'm putting $50 in date night. So now I have 60, which is, I think, a good amount to go on my first date with myself. So yeah, I'm probably going to be sharing those little date nights on Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, definitely do that. I just haven't taken myself out yet because I didn't have enough in my envelope. So now we do. So a date night with myself is coming up soon on Instagram. Okay, pet care for my cat is going to get $30. So a 20 and a 10. All right. So now we have 20, 30, 40 in pet care. And then I have my envelope, which is not getting anything. I really don't know what this envelope is for. I might change it out to something different. And then we have Debt Snowball, which we will talk about in a later video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my 52-week savings challenge, which you guys know I do a separate video on that. All right. Oh wait, I'm like, where? We have money left over. What is this? So we do have $5 left over. This is for giving. I always put $5 into my wallet in case I find someone in need, and I will give them $1 or $2. So yeah, there is that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about anything that you saw today, please leave that comment down below. I thank you guys so much for continuing to watch my videos. I hope you subscribe and stick around. And yeah, thank you so much for all of your support. Talk to you guys later. Bye!